I'm going to show you a couple ways how you can recover your deleted videos on iPhone with or without backup. Now, from your iPhone here, first off, the first method you should always try is check the recently deleted folder. If you have deleted your videos in the past 30 days, it will be in that folder. So just go to your Photos app here, and then on your Photos app, you want to go ahead and go to Utilities, and then you want to go ahead and find recently deleted. View this album with your Face ID, but once you have viewed it with your Face ID, you can see there's gonna be a recently deleted video right here because I've deleted it in the past 30 days, and it'll stay here for the past 30 days as well. If you want to recover this, just tap on select like this. Pick the video you want, tap on the three dots icon here, and then tap on recover like this, tap on recover video, and now your video is recovered. The next way you can do this is that you can go to your account browser here. Now on browser, you want to go ahead and go to a website called iCloud.com like this. And then on iCloud.com, it'll log you in here. Just tap on sign in here to your iCloud, and then just sign into your iCloud like this. Once you have signed in, just scroll down, and then on scroll down, go to photos here. Now on photos, you can see this is all of the photos that have been backed up. So if you have deleted any photos, it can be backed up here, and then you can recover it by tapping on select here, and then you can tap on any photos you want. For example, I want to recover this photo or video. It works either way. You can tap recover video and then tap on this three icon here, and then you can tap on download to download it back onto your iPhone. You can also do another method. You can go to the sidebar menu here, and then you can go to recently deleted, and then on recently deleted here, you'll find even more recently deleted photos that might be on your iCloud, right? So there's recently deleted on your iPhone, and then there'll be recently deleted on your iCloud photos as well. So it's a double protection. Now, the last method I'm going to show you is going to be a little extreme. So you can go to your settings here. Now, on your settings, you want to go ahead and go to iCloud here. And then you want to make sure that you have an iCloud backup, right? So you have an iCloud backup. And on this iCloud backup, there might be photos or videos that we can recover, right? So this is like a snapshot of our current phone on that current time 2 weeks ago. So if you want to recover this, all you have to do is that you have to go back to your Apple account, go to settings, and then on settings here, we're gonna go ahead and search for a setting called reset. Now on reset, go ahead and go to the reset all settings setting here. And then on here, you want to tap on erase all content and settings. And you can see you want to erase this iPhone, and then tap on continue. Tap on erase iPhone. Now on this, just enter in the passcode for your iPhone. Now, it will be uploading data to iCloud, so it'll automatically back up. But I'm just going to skip this because I already have a backup for my iPhone. I'm just going to enter in my Apple account password here. After that's done, your iPhone will now be reset. Now, let's just wait for this to reset. Keep in mind that this is a factory reset, which means it will delete everything on your iPhone. But don't worry, we can restore it with the backup we have made earlier. So let's just wait for this to restart. Once it's done resetting, let's go ahead and swipe up to open. Now let's just pick our language and then pick our country of region. Pick your appearance, tap on continue, and then we can quickly set up our iPhone, but we can just set up without another device. I'm just going to set up later in settings. We can choose a whenever you like, but I'm just going to continue without Wi-Fi first. I'm going to continue. Now, on here, you'll see it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Let's just go ahead and continue with our setups here. Continue. I'm just going to say adult. We can set up later on the Face ID. We can create an iPhone password. I'm just going to do 1111. I'm going to use anyway. I'm just going to do 111 again. After that's done, this is where we're going to do the magic. We're going to transfer your data and apps. If you have an iCloud backup, tap on iPhone backup. If you have another iPhone, tap on another iPhone. If you have Mac or PC, do by PC. From Android, another PC as well. From Android, you have to go to Android as well. So if you have backed up from iCloud, tap on this. I'm just going to go ahead and go with my backup data here because I have it backed up on my PC and not on iCloud. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in for me. But if you want to do yours, then of course you will have to tap on from iCloud backup there. Now let me just go ahead and restore my data real quick. Now you can see it'll say restore in progress. Now what this basically will do is that it's gonna take our iPhone back to the snapshot of our current backup from before. And in those snapshot, there might be the videos that you want to recover. Let's go ahead and wait for this to restore completely. Once everything is done, you'll see a screen like this. We can just tap on, swipe up to upgrade, and then we can enter in the password we made earlier. And then you can see it'll just turn back up as usual. We'll just have to go through this process yet again. Once that's done, we can just swipe up to get started, and you can see our iPhone is back to normal. And then we can go ahead and go back to our photo gallery, and then you can see all of our videos and all of our photos will now be restored to back to when that snapshot here is created.